You searched how to buy shares of Unitil Corporation? Unitil is a regional utility company trading on NASDAQ under the ticker UTL, and this video is educational, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar, type the ticker UTL, and select the matching Unitil Corporation listing to open its asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and the UTL ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Click Invest. Choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will wait to execute when it reopens. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can be confirmed. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the trade executes, and the link to eToro is in the description if you want to learn more.